Hi, welcome back to my channel. If your sewing machine keeps jamming or your stitches look messy, the problem might be your bobbin. Today, I'll show you exactly how to wind a bobbin the correct way, step by step, even if you are a beginner. If this is something you want to learn, then let's get right into today's video. So to begin, let me show you what a bobbin is. This small round spool is called a bobbin. It holds the lower thread in your sewing machine. So most machines come with bobbins, and we have the plastic one and also this metal type, but there's no difference in how you wind them, even though the metal one has a lot of holes. So to wind the bobbin, the first step is to place your thread on the spool pin. So I have this stopper also, so I put it there to stop my thread from falling. Then pull the thread and follow your machine guide. So every machine comes with this guide that helps you thread your machine the right way. So follow that. So I wrap my thread around the thread guide, and then what I do next is to pass the thread through the small hole in the bobbin. So if you see closely, there is this hole on both sides of the bobbin, so just choose one side and then place your thread through it. So once you have that done, place your bobbin on the bobbin winder, push the bobbin to the side, hold the thread gently and press the paddle. So once you have this much thread on your bobbin, stop and cut the hanging thread, and then continue winding the bobbin until it's full. Most machines stop when the bobbin is full. Push it to the side, take the bobbin out and cut the thread. So this is the end result. This is how it's supposed to look if everything was done correctly. Your bobbin is now ready to use. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.